What's up? Whatever. I was about to restart, but like, what's the point? It doesn't even fucking matter. So, I am recording video entries and I guess videos. I don't know why I said entries. You could just say videos. I'm recording videos to track progress of what I've done and what I've worked on. And I am planning on doing this every day, mainly just for myself, but I'm gonna post these videos somewhere, because why not? And I'm gonna cover 3 things every single day. Basically, I'll go over a brief summary of what I did. Number 2, I'll go a brief summary of what I learned. And number 3, I'm gonna talk about what I'm gonna work on tomorrow. And maybe I'll talk about what I did and what I learned. And this is all prone to change, so this is just iteration 1. So number 1, what I did today. Woke up at 5:30, worked out, got on my computer and started working. I did a lot of thinking and journaling and reflecting, and then eventually I started actually taking some action. I kind of pinpointed and got some clarity on exactly what I want to pursue in terms of how I want to make money, which I choose trading as my vehicle, for financial freedom, I suppose, in a way, because I'm sure there are people who make a lot of money doing trading, and I know it's possible, so I just gotta stick to it, So I picked that. I picked trading as the thing I'm gonna be doing for a couple of reasons. One, because it's a solo adventure and I don't really have to interact with people. And 2, I get to interact with people how I see fit. So it's not like I have to work on a business or work for someone. I just do what I want. So that was very appealing to me. And number 3, I don't know why I stuck my finger up, but I just did. Number 2, what I learned. First of all, I guess I tried to learn more about myself. I did a lot of journaling and reflection, and I kind of realized that procrastinate is such a loaded term, but the biggest form of resistance I have to doing actual work is doing a lot of thinking about the work and about things that might not actually directly help me. They're indirect ways to make me feel like I'm getting somewhere, but I'm not actually getting anywhere by doing those things. It's kind of like if I spent the next 90 days thinking about trading and practicing and trying to learn how to trade, would I get anywhere? Sure. But if I spent the next 90 days looking at the charts, marking up things, learning things step by step in a way that lets me apply those things I've learned, I'd get much farther by actually taking action and thinking about trading and actually trading than what I am doing. Trying to organize things, trying to perfect everything before I get started. Just like recording these videos. It's like overthinking shit when all you have to do is kind of just do the thing and see where it goes from there by continuously doing the thing and then iterating and learning. Really just like anything else in life. So what else did I learn? I joined a community. I kind of went back and forth on how I want to start trading, and obviously I've learned a lot of knowledge, so I guess it's kind of unavoidable that you have to go through this absorption phase of learning before you take action, but honestly it'd probably be better if you just took as much action as you physically could and then try to get more information and then try to apply it just as fast as possible, because truthfully I could have probably done that or repeated that cycle a lot faster, where I come into contact with some type of information, then I apply it as fast as I can. But you learn. So anyways, I joined some communities. Well, I was trying to nail down on how I want to trade, but really I just had to figure that out after experimenting with different strategies and different things for myself. Whether I want to be like a short term or long term trader, where I like look for these shorter moves or like these longer moves. But the main thing is that I need to see how the market's like the structure, and like I learned about key levels, or not key levels, just like levels or really areas of interest, and that concept gets broken down into two key things for like regarding technical analysis. There are kind of like two things to watch out for. It's like levels and zones. So levels are basically uh, places where price has reversed and created a different trend. So it's like a swing high, swing low. The levels are created at the swing highs and swing lows. And zones are basically certain areas where price has previously reacted off of. So like it usually bounces off of zones or also levels. This basically allows you to kind of make hypotheses. I don't know if that's a word, of where price will go if it reaches a level, or like where it's going to climb to, or like fall to, or something like that. So I learned about that, and I set up some settings on my TradingView account to make it very easy to read those markups on my chart. And I think it's pretty intuitive, and I kind of like it, but I'll just have to keep working with it to see how it goes. So I learned about those things, and in the past, since I first found out about trading, I've learned about all these other concepts too, like market structure, just like how the market moves and trends, like uptrends and downtrends and continuation. Well, those are just trends. So uptrends, downtrends, and just like consolidation, where it's like indecision, where price is kind of going up and down, but as a whole, it's not really moving anywhere. So what I'll do tomorrow, I bought this MacBook, and I need to set that up. But yeah, I'll have to do that. I'll have to set up I'll just keep trading for one. I'll wake up tomorrow, 5:30, finish my run, my workout, get that baseline in for my habits, and then I'll probably just get on the charts and like mark stuff up. I don't know how long I'll do that. I should probably set a specific goal for that, maybe an hour, and then I'll do that. I have to set up my MacBook, set up a YouTube system for this video recording shit, and then I will. Fuck, someone just walked in and I lost track of what I was saying. That's all.